What exactly are banner ads? In this short episode of Marketing Minutes with Timo, we will speak about just that. So what are banner ads? Banners are clickable images that are placed on websites. You've probably seen that before on websites, these flashing images, and they want us to click there, right? Banners should create curiosity, and what we want is the click, right? We design our banners in a way that people click on those banners and we want them to be on our websites, right? The placement determines the audience. It's better to have a make money online banner, okay? If we have a make money online product, it's better to have a banner for this product on a website where the subject is make money online. You can also advertise your banner where the subject of the website is mostly traffic, because there will be make money online people there as well. But if you can, then advertise your banner in the right category, right? Slots on the websites, you've seen this before as well. Probably on top, there are mostly bigger banners, and on the side, most of the time there are smaller banners. And the bigger banners typically cost more, something like $100 for this banner. And on the right side, if you want to advertise there, maybe $30, right? Payment is CPM, and that just means cost per 1,000 impressions. So an impression is if your banner was shown one time, right? If your banner has been shown one time, that is one impression. And typically with banner ads, you pay for 1,000 impressions. Some services where you can buy ads are strict, like Facebook and Google. You have to play after the rules of those networks. Buy, sell ads, for instance, I put you the link below. They're pretty strict, and you will have difficulties if you have aggressive marketing. For instance, in the make money online niche, if your wording is kind of aggressive, you will have problems with that network. So that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about traffic and how to promote products the right way, I highly recommend my free training. Link is somewhere around this video. I'm showing you everything you need to learn, how to adapt your landing pages to the offer you want to promote, and many, many more things. So click on that link below and register for the free training. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, show me some love and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel here so you don't miss future videos, and check out these links to get support on your marketing journey. Take care and speak soon. Bye-bye.